If you're considering buying from Dymocks PT, there are a few crucial things you need to know first. Before making your decision, let's take a look at the ins and outs of what you can expect from them, especially compared to some of the competitors in the market. First, let's talk about their product range. Dymocks PT isn't just a retailer, it's known for offering an extensive selection of books, ebooks, and audiobooks across a wide variety of genres. They've been around for years, so they've built a solid reputation in the industry. What sets them apart from others like Booktopia or Amazon is their focus on the Australian market, providing a great way for Aussies to support local businesses while getting their hands on the latest titles. You'll often find unique Australian authors and local selections that might not be as easily available on global platforms. Next thing to consider is their pricing. Now, pricing can make or break a decision for many, and Dymocks PT has some solid offers, but are they the best in the market? For certain books, Dymocks may not always be the cheapest, especially when compared to the bigger players like Amazon or Booktopia. However, what you're paying for is more than just the product, it's the experience. Dymocks offers loyalty rewards programs and regular sales that can give you discounts that you won't always find on competing sites. Plus, they often have exclusive offers that can make the higher price tag worth it for many. The third thing is the shopping experience. Dymocks PT offers a clean, user-friendly website that makes browsing their catalog relatively easy. It's not as overwhelming as larger e-commerce platforms, and they focus heavily on user navigation and personalized recommendations. If you're someone who values simplicity and ease of access, this is something to keep in mind, especially when compared to the sometimes clunky sites of other retailers. Another thing you need to know is their delivery options. When you shop with Dymocks PT, they provide reliable and fast shipping within Australia. They also have a convenient click and collect option, allowing you to pick up your order in store. This is great if you want to avoid shipping fees and get your hands on a book ASAP. However, if you're ordering internationally, expect higher shipping fees compared to Amazon, which often offers more competitive international rates. The fifth thing to know is their customer service. Dymocks PT is known for offering great customer service, with fast response times and a helpful staff, especially when compared to some other retailers who can take days to get back to you. If you run into any issues with your order or need a refund, Dymocks is reliable when it comes to handling problems and making things right. Next, let's talk about the Dymocks loyalty program. This is one of their standout features. If you're a frequent reader or someone who buys books regularly, their membership program can offer you discounts, early access to sales, and points that you can redeem for future purchases. This is something competitors like Booktopia also offer, but Dymocks' system is straightforward and has fewer restrictions, which many users appreciate. The last thing to consider is the variety of formats available. Dymocks PT doesn't just sell physical books, they also offer ebooks and audiobooks. So, if you're someone who loves to read on the go, this makes it super easy to switch between formats without losing access to your purchases. The competition does offer digital formats too, but Dymocks has one of the smoothest transitions between buying a physical copy and switching to a digital one. So, if you're seriously considering Dymocks PT for your next book purchase, I recommend checking out the best offer and trying it completely for free by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll get exclusive benefits, and you can experience everything that Dymocks PT has to offer risk-free. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to save while supporting a reliable local Australian retailer.